Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset all settings on iPhone. So if you want to reset all your iPhone settings, including home screen, dictionary, and all other settings on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to reset all settings on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general. On the general page, you want to scroll down as well. Keep scrolling to get to transfer or reset iPhone. Then click on that. Once you selected transfer or reset iPhone, locate and click on reset. Then here you should say reset all settings. Now this is it. Under reset all settings, your iPhone is going to reset network settings, reset keyboard dictionary, reset handwriting style, reset home screen layout, and reset location and privacy. Now, to reset all settings on your iPhone, go ahead and click on reset all settings. Then you'll be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode. Softly type in your iPhone passcode. Then hang on, the spot that says this reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys, and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Now, for you to proceed and reset all settings on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on reset all settings. Once you click on reset all settings, then you are good to go. So that's exactly how to reset all settings on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.